In the beginning, we knew of each other. We would lose touch every so often, but somehow gravitate back to each other like some meteorites just crashing together. It happened so often that I lost track. I knew I liked her a long time ago. She wasn't so sure. One big reason for the initial attraction is she doesn't believe in the same things that I don't believe in. We share a mutual disbelief in a lot of things. For a while, all we had was long conversation on the phone while she drove to work. I'm lucky she was stuck in the car for 90 minutes every morning, so she never had said a word to me otherwise. She was kind of just relegating me to something other than the radio. I slowly chipped away at her. You could say I broke her spirit. I still don't know how I convinced her to travel 1,200 miles to come visit me. But I knew once I did, that's all the chance I needed. I used to say I won't get married. I used to say I will be single forever. I used to say I'll never have or want kids. I used to say a lot of stupid things just like that. But today I will say I do. I'll get married to the best person I know. And I will forever be the father to the absolute best kid I know. I'm not one for cliches, as you all know. I don't like talking about myself. But I am my happily ever after. I love you.
When I was a little girl, I was often asked who I love the most in this world. And I always replied with myself. When I was asked who I'd want to marry, I responded with someone like me. It's cliche, but you really are my other half. When I was a kid, I thought the world revolved around me. My sister made it clear that it doesn't, but you make me feel like it does. You do so much for me and Eddie, and I'm truly grateful. You're an amazing dad, and you were an amazing fiance. I know you will be just as great of a husband. I'm so lucky to have you by my side, arguing with everyone because you and I are always right. I love you as much as I love myself now. Kind of. I love you.
I pledge to you, Adela,
that my love and my loyalty
will weather the storms of life.
And I will always seek your counsel.
When we make life's decisions,
I'll respect your needs and concerns.
No matter what course in life we set,
we will do it together.
Through this ring,
I take you as my husband.
Now and for all time.
Now and for all time.